Introduction to butterfly development. Butterflies undergo one of the most fascinating transformations in the animal kingdom, metamorphosis. This process involves a complete change in form, where a caterpillar evolves into a butterfly. The transformation from a crawling caterpillar to a flying adult butterfly is an intricate journey marked by distinct developmental stages. The life cycle stages. Butterflies have a four-stage life cycle: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult butterfly. Each stage represents a different phase of development, with significant changes occurring between them. The entire process is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation and ensures the continuation of the butterfly species. Egg stage. The life cycle begins when a female butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a host plant. These eggs are small, often round or oval, and vary in color and texture depending on the butterfly species. The eggs incubate for several days to weeks, depending on environmental conditions and species. During this time, the developing embryo within the egg prepares to hatch into the larval stage. Caterpillar stage. Once hatched, the butterfly emerges as a caterpillar, also known as a larva. This stage is primarily focused on growth and feeding. The caterpillar's primary task is to consume large quantities of food, usually leaves, to fuel its rapid growth. As it grows, the caterpillar molts several times, shedding its old skin to accommodate its increasing size. This stage is characterized by significant feeding and growth, preparing the caterpillar for the next stage of metamorphosis. Pupa stage. After reaching its full size, the caterpillar enters the pupal stage, where it undergoes a remarkable transformation within a protective casing known as a chrysalis or pupa. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar's body undergoes extensive reorganization. Tissues and organs are broken down and reformed into the structures of an adult butterfly. This stage can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species and environmental factors. Emergence and adult butterfly. Once the metamorphosis is complete, the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Initially, its wings are soft and wet, and it must pump fluid into them to expand and strengthen them. After its wings dry and harden, the butterfly is ready to fly. The adult butterfly's primary tasks are to find food, mate, and lay eggs to continue the life cycle. The transformation from caterpillar to butterfly allows the insect to exploit different ecological niches, such as feeding on nectar from flowers. Evolutionary adaptations. The evolutionary adaptation of complete metamorphosis provides butterflies with several advantages. The larval stage is dedicated to growth and feeding, while the pupal stage allows for a complete restructuring of the body. This separation of functions helps reduce competition between life stages and allows the butterfly to occupy different ecological roles. The adult butterfly's flight capabilities and specialized feeding structures contribute to its survival and reproduction. Environmental and developmental factors. Environmental conditions, such as temperature and food availability, play a crucial role in the development and timing of each life stage. Caterpillars may enter diapause, a period of dormancy, if conditions are not favorable for development. The timing of metamorphosis is closely linked to environmental cues, ensuring that butterflies emerge at an optimal time for survival and reproduction. Conclusion. The transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly is a stunning example of evolutionary innovation. Through a series of distinct stages, egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult, butterflies undergo a complete metamorphosis that equips them with the tools needed for survival and reproduction. This process not only highlights the complexity of insect development but also underscores the adaptability and resilience of these remarkable creatures.